Need to hard reset and erase everything on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Here's the quickest way to factory reset the Galaxy S26 series and start fresh. Before you go, especially if you're going to give it away, go to Settings, then Accounts, and Back Up. Go to Manage Accounts and make sure to remove all your Google accounts to avoid activation lock during Reset Up. Start by opening the Settings app on the phone. Scroll down and tap General Management. Next, tap Reset. Then choose Factory Data Reset. Scroll down the page and a warning message will appear. It explains that the reset will erase all data from the phone, including accounts, photos, videos, apps, and other personal files. If everything is ready, tap Reset. The phone will ask for the lock screen password. Enter it to continue. Then tap Delete All to confirm. At this point, the Samsung account password may also be required for verification. Once confirmed, the phone will begin the factory reset process and remove all stored data. After the device restarts, it will open like a brand new phone, and the setup process will begin again, including signing in and restoring accounts. If the reset is needed because the PIN pattern or password was forgotten, or you can't access the settings, then there's a separate guide on the channel that covers that method. That's it. Thanks for watching till the end.